In this video, I want to show you how to remove main rotating brushes from iRobot Roomba J9 To do this, first you will need to flip your robot so that you can see the brushes right here. Then click on the button on the left side of the robot. It's the green one right here. And after that, you should be able to freely release the lever and then access both of the brushes. Now to replace them, you will need to also align it with the slot. So there's the square one and the octagon right here. And you can also see the symbols, how to place them right there. First one is in, and then the second one. Now we can close this hatch and we just replaced our brushes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.